Explore top DJ mixers for seamless music mixing and control. Our curated selection features high-performance models ideal for DJs of all levels. Find the best DJ mixers that blend superior sound quality with intuitive features designed to elevate your live performances or studio sessions. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ mixers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Reloop Elite is a top-tier DVS mixer for Serato DJ Pro, designed with input from international turntable artists. It offers a performance-oriented layout and advanced features, enabling DJs to maximize their potential. It includes the full version of Serato DJ Pro and the DVS Expansion Pack, with 2 Serato control records featuring noise map technology. The mixer has 16 large RGB pads to control up to 12 performance modes per deck in Serato DJ Pro. The dual 10 in-out USB 2.0 audio interface ensures exceptional 24-bit sound quality, allowing 2 computers to connect simultaneously for seamless DJ transitions. The ergonomic browse section allows one-handed control and independent source selection via focus computer control. 2 OLED displays provide real-time information on effects, BPM beat parameters, and the setup menu. Each deck has a loop section with an intuitive push encoder and manual loop function, visible through an LED bar. The Reloop Elite supports simultaneous and individual pad mode control across multiple devices when paired with the RP8000 Mark II. It includes 2 SmartLink USB ports for connecting external devices like MIDI controllers, storage media, or smartphones. The Pioneer DJ DJM S11 is a top-tier professional 2-channel, 4-deck battle mixer, recognized as one of the best in its class. This mixer builds upon its predecessor, the DJM A9, introducing new features that enhance DJ performance with Serato DJ Pro or Record Box. At the heart of the DJM S11 is a 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen, which allows DJs to browse tracks, view waveforms, and dynamically adjust music textures with Touch FX and Touch MIDI controls, reducing reliance on a laptop. The waveform screen, browse screen, and innovative Deck 3/4 control enhance the user experience by allowing up to 4 simultaneous tracks or samples. Deck Move and Dual Deck Control provide seamless transitions and effects management. The Touch FX screen enables expressive control of effects, while the FX settings screen stores effect parameters for quick access. The expanded effects section includes 22 beat FX and the new Smooth Echo, which can be assigned to various controls for unique sound creation. Enhanced performance pads are larger for better accuracy during energetic sets, with Combo Pad Mode and Scratch Bank offering versatile pad functionality. The Magvel Fader Pro has been upgraded for durability and precision, and the mixer boasts crystal clear sound quality, inheriting the high-density sound from the DJM 900 NX S2. The Reloop MX95 is a top-tier DJ mixer that bridges the gap between analog and digital realms. This professional 4+1 channel club mixer features a dual USB 2.0 interface, an upgraded effects section, and comprehensive MIDI mapping capabilities, making it a versatile tool for both professional and hobby DJs. Key features include a high-performance 24-bit dual audio interface, a variety of studio-quality effects, echo, reverb, flanger, etc., and frequency-specific FX controls. The mixer's dual USB ports facilitate seamless DJ transitions, enhancing flexibility during performances. The MX95's fully digital architecture allows for extensive customization, including EQ frequency adjustments and advanced audio routing. The MX95 offers extensive connectivity options, including multiple input channels, CD, line, phono, a dedicated microphone channel, and versatile output connections, RCA, XLR, jack. This ensures compatibility with various DJ setups and recording devices. Additionally, the RMX95 supports Algorithm DJ Pro's neural mix for real-time beat, melody, and vocal isolation, and is compatible with multiple streaming services like Apple Music and Tidal. This makes the RMX95 an essential mixer for modern DJs seeking high performance and adaptability in their equipment. The Pioneer DJM A9 emerges as a pinnacle in professional DJ mixers, securing its place as the second best in its category. Designed as a successor to the DJM 900 NX-S2, this 4-channel mixer delivers unparalleled sound clarity, heightened playability, and expanded connectivity, setting a new standard for club-grade equipment. It incorporates advanced features that amplify performances, ensuring both emotional depth and dynamic range in musical expression. Constructed from robust metal, the DJM A9 guarantees durability, suitable for rigorous environments like clubs and concert venues. Its comprehensive connectivity includes USB drive compatibility, XLR balanced outputs, booth output, and dual mic inputs, accommodating diverse audio setups. Featuring onboard Beat FX processors and a built-in sampler, DJs can craft distinctive audio effects and integrate custom samples seamlessly. Bluetooth capability enhances convenience, enabling wireless connectivity to headphones and speakers. Whether for seasoned professionals or novices, the Pioneer DJM A9 excels across all performance contexts, epitomizing versatility and innovation in the realm of DJ mixers. The Allen & Heath Xone 96 is a standout in the world of DJ mixers, combining legendary analog design with modern digital capabilities. It features a 6+2 channel layout, dual independent USB connections offering extensive routing options with 96 kHz 32-bit processing, and is Tractor Scratch Pro 2 DJ certified. The mixer boasts dual zone VCF filters with crunch distortion, providing powerful effects, and 2 independent headphone cue systems for seamless transitions during back-to-back performances. It also includes dedicated booth outputs with a 3-band booth EQ and an Innofader crossfader for precision cuts. Building on the legacy of the acclaimed Xone 92, the Xone 96 offers enhanced features and digital connectivity. Its robust analog sound, refined 4-band EQ, and dual 32-bit USB sound card with Tractor Scratch certification make it a club classic reimagined. The mixer supports various setups, from laptops and turntables to pedals, synths, and drum machines, with 2 dedicated FXNs, 4 stereo input channels with 4-band EQ, 2 stereo input channels with new 3-band parametric EQ, 2 auxiliary stereo return channels, and a master insert for outboard hardware. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.